The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 continues to build on the legacy of American performance, blending race-inspired engineering with everyday drivability. As the pinnacle of Chevrolet's engineering prowess, the Z06 stands out, not just within the Corvette family, but across the global performance car market. This year's model refines what made the previous Z06 such a standout, sharpening its focus on speed, precision, and the unmistakable roar of a naturally aspirated V8. Under the hood, the Z06 houses the LT6 engine, a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 that revs up to 8,600 RPM. This engine produces a stunning 670 horsepower, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever in a production car. It's the same engine that powers the C8R race car, giving drivers a direct connection to Chevrolet's motorsport expertise. The sound it produces is unlike anything in the Corvette's history. High-pitched, aggressive, and thrilling, especially at high revs. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the power delivery is rapid and seamless. Shifts are lightning quick, providing immediate response whether on the track or cruising city streets. The mid-engine layout, first introduced with the C8 generation, offers exceptional balance and handling. With more weight over the rear tires, traction is improved, and the Z06 grips the road with authority, even under hard acceleration. The Z06 is more than just a straight-line performer. The suspension system has been meticulously tuned for track use while remaining manageable for street driving. Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 helps adapt the suspension in real time, ensuring optimal performance across different surfaces. Available. Carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible stopping power and fade resistance, especially useful during extended track sessions. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the Z06's performance. Optional packages, such as the Z07 Performance Package, add aggressive aerodynamic components like a large rear wing, front splitter, dive planes, and underbody strakes. These enhancements not only look striking, but also increase downforce, improving cornering stability at high speeds. With this package, the Z06 becomes a legitimate track weapon capable of rivaling European supercars that cost significantly more. The interior of the 2025 Z06 reflects its dual nature, race-ready yet comfortable. Drivers are surrounded by high-quality materials including leather, microfiber, and available carbon fiber trim. The seats offer excellent support during spirited driving and long-distance comfort. A digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen provide clear, customizable displays, while the performance data recorder allows drivers to capture and review their track sessions in detail. Technology in the Z06 is top-tier, with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and available head-up display. Chevrolet's attention to driver engagement shines through, as the cockpit layout puts all controls within easy reach, enhancing the connection between car and driver. Customization options remain a strong selling point. From wheel choices and brake caliper colors to interior stitching and exterior paint, owners can configure the Z06 to reflect their personal taste. New for 2025 are a few exclusive color options and updated wheel designs that add even more flair to an already bold design. Despite its supercar credentials, the Corvette Z06 is still priced competitively, offering performance that rivals exotic brands at a fraction of the cost. This has long been the Corvette's ace in the hole, delivering world-class capabilities while remaining within reach for serious enthusiasts. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 represents a perfect blend of innovation, performance, and heritage. It's a car built for purists, for thrill seekers, and for anyone who believes driving should stir the soul. Whether on the street or on the track, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression, reaffirming the Z06's status as a true icon in the performance car world.